I'm the Director of Business Development for Playout at Grass Valley. This is Emmanuel, Jacky. He is the Director for MAM, Production and Playout at Warner Brothers Discovery. So we're here to give you an overview of a project where we partnered, and it involves basically their technology transformation. So the project itself took place, well, it commenced probably the end of 2018, 2019, and it was quite an ambitious project. It was designed around rebuilding the entire backbone of their international production platform from end to end. They had a number of key objectives. The solution should be based around a private cloud or data center architecture, but also have the ability to scale into the public cloud when required. It should be provided based on modern cloud-native technologies, which would allow them to dynamically spin up and down the services. They were also looking for a single platform that offered remote operation capabilities across all the functions, be it from playout, production, and delivery. And they also wanted the content itself to be made available across all platforms. So that's both live and file content for linear and digital distribution. And finally, as always, from a customer perspective, they were looking for a lower cost of ownership. So based on this, we based our solution around our Grass Valley Media Universe and the AMP platform. Now, this is a cloud-native solution built with broadcast workflows and operations to form media factories. The platform provides not just Grass Valley Elastic Media applications, but also a number of partner applications and software, enabling customers to achieve a smooth transition into the cloud, maintaining their operations as it is today, through a universal user experience across the platform. So at high level, we designed a solution utilizing many Grass Valley products to capture the signal in, add remote commentary, instant replay and record, asset management and playout delivery. But we're going to specifically focus in on the digital delivery for today. So the AMP architecture supports a hybrid cloud approach. So what this means is that for Warner Brothers Discovery, they were able to deploy the solution across two physically diverse, geographically, data centers. Alongside that, there is also the scaling capacity for the public cloud, which they could utilize when required. All of their control is provided through unique HTML5 user interfaces, which again is actually in a separate physical geographic location. So this is at high level some of the tailored user interfaces, providing both channel control, event by event management, but we're going to focus in on the digital user interface because this was one of the key ones for the digital platforms. Now, this user interface allowed Eurosport to play each event across various digital platforms, easily moving from one event to another, but without an operator having to focus on a specific platform or a specific live event. So the operator could actually gang channels together through this to be able to deliver to the various platforms the different events. So the AMP solution provided enabled this distribution for both the summer and winter games across Europe on the digital OTT platforms. The AMP asset management system sitting underneath this, handling more than 350 simultaneous recordings across the two physical separated data centers, making them accessible to the entire platform for editing, playout, and delivery. Some of the stats around this, so for the Beijing Games, there was more than 156 million Europeans engaged via the digital platforms. 1 billion streaming minutes consumed, and that was about 19 times more than the previous Winter Games. There were 8 times more streaming viewers during the games, with an average consumption exceeding 7 hours per viewer. The linear TV, on average, watching 24% longer than Penang Chang in 2018. I'd now like to invite Emmanuel, Jacky to come and say a few words about the project, our AMP solution, and their digital channels. Emmanuel?
Alors, so we started this project 4 years ago, and so the main goal was because we had several platforms across Europe, just to have everything on the same platform, just to reduce the number of transfers between the platform and to manage until 20 different languages. So this is one of the challenges for Eurosport today and for a long time now, and managing all these different audio to be able from one asset to publish for the VOD, for the different other platforms. So we wanted to mainly reduce the number of transfer and to reduce the cost. So we work together as a partner with Grass Valley on this new platform. So one central storage, and with the same storage, so we manage our post-production, the MAM, the Playout for the linear, and also for all the digital. And this is also the main source for the archive and and for the publish to all the platform. So it was quite challenging because of all the new technology around this platform. This is not only about the cloud, but it's also the introduction of the 2110, and the flexibility we have with this new platform was help us today to create easily the new channel when it's needed. Until now, it was needed to wait maybe several months before having the new channel in place or the new production. So now we know that it's kind of copy-paste to be able to create this new channel. So it will add a lot of flexibility for us because we, as a Warner Bros. Discovery, the sport platform in Europe is growing almost every day now, and so we need also this capability today to be able to make some expansion easily of the platform. So this is really the key component today.
Thank you, Emmanuel. And thank you everyone for your time. We also have a table upstairs, and we actually have a full end-to-end AMP system up there. So if anybody's interested in any aspect of workflow, be it from signal capture through to playout and delivery, please come have a chat with me or one of my colleagues. Thank you.